Algebra 2 students. Hopefully the audio for YouTube is better. I discovered it's just YouTube. Hopefully it's not as sketchy. If it is, just bear with me. Sometimes you have to turn it up. The audio is there, but it kind of cuts in and out, I noticed today. Hopefully it gets fixed soon. For Algebra 2, I'm looking at Mrs. Bell's work, Miss Bell's work here, and I'm going to try to help you right on the screen here. And for number 1, how you're going to match these, x squared minus 1 is the parent function. The translation is going to be, or the transformation, I'm sorry, is going to be t. There is a, so this one goes with this one right here. It's a translation down 1. So that goes with this one. And then the graph that goes with that is going to be this I right here. Okay? So you should have TI here. For number 2, when we're looking at this parent function, the transformation for number 2 is going to be P, this one right here. Okay? And the graph for that one should be this right here, V. All right? Number 3, when you're looking at this one, the transformation should be J. And the graph for that one should be C right here. For number 4, the transformation should be O. And the graph for that one should be K right here. For number 5, the transformation should be B. And the graph for that one should be S. And for number 6, the transformation should be G. And the transformation, or the graph should be X. Okay? The reasoning why, hopefully I'll show you on the second slide a little bit more of the reason why. Okay. So for this one, for number 7, this is moving left 1. So the transformation is just a left 1 transformation. So that's why the transformation should be D. It's a H horizontal translation left 1. Okay? So this one should go here. And then the graph of that one, to show that, remember the square root graphs are all like these weird like kind of swoosh marks. So 7 in particular is this one. 7 in particular is this one here. Okay? Because it moved left 1. Remember, it starts at the origin and moves left 1 because it's a plus 1. Remember all of those transformation notes from last week. Number 8. Number 8 should be M. That's a translation, a horizontal translation right 1 and a vertical up 2. So it's the right 1 and then this is up 2. So 8 also is R on the graph. Number 9. Number 9, this is showing, this is a reflection. That negative shows a reflection across the x-axis. And then we translate left 2. This is left 2. So that would be L. And then the graph of that is right here, E. Okay, number 10. Number 10, this shows a reflection across the x-axis and then a translation up 1. Okay, and if you know your equations, this is just a slope-intercept form, and so you just find where it's a line and it's crossing the y-axis at 1 and is going down. So your graph for that one is Q. 11, 11 is the transformation is just down 2. So just down 2. It's a linear equation down 2. So once again, if you know your slope-intercept form, this is just a line, and it's down 2. So the W is the translation down 2. So it's going to cross the y-axis at -2. Okay, so it's right here, H is that graph. And then number 12, the transformation, this is going to be vertical compression by a factor of 1/2. So that is N. Okay, and then the graph of number 12 is going to be F. Notice that it's going up 1/2, up 1/2. That's your half. 1 up 1/2, your slope, once again, if you remember your slope-intercept form. Okay, to start you off, I did a lot for, this is then would be the table, and these would be all the letters that are matching. So hopefully that helps you with that whole first half. And I didn't mean to do the whole first half, so I'm not going to do the whole second half, but I do want to show you, how to do the second half, level 2 it is. So you're given this equation right here, it's quadratic, and it moves down 1. So your letters are going to be T and I. So what does that mean? T is going to be right here. It's a vertical translation down 1. Okay, because this is down 1. Okay, and so T goes there, and then I is the graph. I is right here. So this, starting at the origin goes down 1. So that's why I would go there to TI. So just to get you started on level 2, go ahead and try the rest of level 2 on your own. If you make mistakes and learn from them, you are making progress.